How are you doing? So today, actually, we thought. So I'm going to meet two of my friends. One is Harish. You all know him by the name Dr. Bhuza. And the second one is Tapo Broto. So basically, there is a new coffee shop nearby to Tapo's house. So Tapo has been saying so many times that it's a nice place to hang around. So we thought, okay, let's go and see how it is. We'll have a chit chat. So that's the plan. So guys, we are here at a coffee shop. No, I'm actually talking in the selfie cam. So we are here at a coffee shop which is nearby to Tapo's house, which is at what is this place?
Ramgondanahalli.
No, it's
Borewell Road, Nallurahalli.
okay, Borewell Road, Nallurahalli. So
It's in Whitefield, guys. Otherwise, you keep searching for it. It's just in Whitefield.
so here our friends.
Bistro Boulevard.
स्वागत नहीं करोगे पांडे जी की? So this is actually a lovely place. I'll just show you. So bikes are parked there. हाँ, that's so great. So,
I have the iPhone.
इसलिए मैं आईफोन नहीं खरीदता हूँ,
Only I
बताऊँ?
can do it.
इसलिए मैं आईफोन नहीं
It's not
खरीदता
working. It's not working.
Yeah, only a Bhuza owner can do it.
I know that.
यार मेरा क्या कलर्स आ रहा है इसमें, सही में देखो. Looks nice. हाँ. तो बोलो पंडित जी को. This looks like coffee, right?
This is latte, and this too latte,
Uh-huh.
and this is masala tea.
Oh, but we ordered one latte and two chocolate. So guys, you can see what you are having. So this is a hot chocolate, this is a coffee, and here is onion rings.
One bite for you. And this is masala tea.
Masala tea already started. So this place is actually a super cool place. आ जाओ, बस मजा आता है आराम से. देखो कितना हरा भरा दिख रहा है. ये एक्चुअली जो सेल पेट्रोल पंप है ना व्हाइटफील्ड में, उसके बाजू में जो गली है, आप वही गली से अगर आओगे तो राइट साइड में आएगा, राइट? यस, दैट्स द इजीएस्ट वे टू फिगर दिस आउट.
Left before Ramgondanahalli bus stand.
No.
So when you're coming from Siddhapura junction.
और लेफ्ट फ्रॉम सिद्धापुरा जंक्शन. ओके ओके, ठीक है.
It's the back side of Palm Meadows.
हाँ. अच्छा, एक चीज है कि
GoPro में डाल दो. GoPro में डाल दो. Chocolate I got Horlicks.
अच्छा, तो ये तप्पो तो वही बोल रहा था कि यार ये जो डोमिनर में है ना, फर्स्ट गियर डालते ही घट करके हो रहा है, जो कि एक्चुअली निंजा में भी होता था, समझे?
Most problem because Domino is a normal bike, so you don't have that total body sync things.
ओके.
So it's
निंजा में भी होता है वही चीज.
हाँ. For the Domino, it will be the chain slack.
अच्छा, उसकी लिए बोला. अच्छा, थ्रोटल बॉडी सिंक क्या है, हरीश बताएंगे?
खा रहा हूँ.
ठीक है, खाते खाते बोल दीजिए क्या चीज है, क्योंकि निंजा में भी होता है ना खट करके.
So basically, between both the throttle bodies, there are vacuum pipes that will equalize the opening and closing of the sliders,
ओके.
which control how much air is going in. So if the vacuum is not coming evenly across both the throttle bodies,
Okay.
you'll do something called as syncing.
ओके.
So you will connect the throttle body syncing machine
हाँ.
and you'll rev the bike.
ओके.
It's just like a pipe which has some liquid inside it. The liquid will move up and down.
ओके.
So both the liquids need to move up and down in the same sequence.
Okay.
If there's a little up and difference, that means there's more fuel going for one cylinder and less fuel for the other. So they'll equalize it by changing the air screw. So they'll either tighten and loosen the air screw which is there in the throttle body,
Okay.
so that both the throttle bodies are giving the same amount of air to the bike.
लेकिन उससे ये खट फर्स्ट गियर का खट सॉल्व हो जाएगा?
I don't know.
That's
Papa was
because
saying
I think of the chain.
Because of the chain?
Yeah, in Domino, it's because of the chain. What would have happened is we already did 300 kilometers, if you remember. So if you remember, we already did 300 kilometers in just like 2 days. Right?
Yes.
So naturally, the chain slack would have increased.
Okay.
Because of that reason. And उसके वजह से वो थोड़ा hard है. तो वो sound आ रहा है. वो Dominar में ही नहीं, it happens in the Ninja, even in the Buza.
Also
the
it
gear
happens.
becomes very hard if the slack increases.
Okay.
So we have to keep adjusting it every like 1500, 2000 kilometers. Depends on the bike, right? In the Buza it was 1500, but we used to keep adjusting. I don't know how much it was in the Ninja.
Ninja, it's like little more. I think 2000, 2000.
वर्सेस पे हो रहा है क्या आपका?
In the Ninja,
Ninja, it's 2500. I have to tighten the chain. Like
Okay.
if we do a like rough riding, like sudden acceleration and sudden brake. If it cruise, it goes like nearly 4000 to 4500 kilometers for a chain tightening.
सही है. So guys, we are done with the coffee break, and now I am actually heading towards ACS layout because I have to give a packet to one of my friend. So he is also from the Dominar group. It's actually not a great idea to ride a superbike for your regular day-to-day activities because see, if you won't believe, it's about 8:30 in the evening. Climate is comparatively little like cold than the rest of the day, but still I am getting that continuous hot air pushed onto my legs, so that is very much annoying. And even though right now it's not making much difference, but just imagine if it is during the daytime, then it would have been so difficult to ride this. And this particular problem is actually there for every bike. It's not just the Ninja or the Harleys. Almost all the bigger bikes, they get hot very soon. Hope you can see the traffic in Bangalore. So still it is quite less as of now. Had it been the evening, then it would have been really terrific, and it would have been like impossible to ride during that time. So down the line, guys, I have plans for a couple of ownership reviews. I have a couple of friends who own a Ducati Scrambler, a Multistrada, a Tiger, Royal Enfields, and a couple of other bikes. So I'm planning to get a long-term ownership review of those bikes soon, maybe around next weekend, not the coming weekend. Next weekend I'll do it. I installed the Bluetooth headset on his helmet. That's Pranjal. Chalo, bye. मिलते हैं. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please do subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Hope you like this video. See you then in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.